our last video, we set up the MessageMedia Gateway in Zoho Campaigns. We are now diving into how to send out an SMS campaign. First, head over to Campaigns, then click on SMS Campaigns. Click on Create Campaign to proceed. To create a new campaign, select the gateway you configured earlier. Next, choose your recipients. You can use a list or segment. Please note, the numbers must be in international format. For example, for Australia, +61. Local formats like 0412 won't work. If you're syncing contacts from Zoho CRM, make sure the phone fields in CRM are also in international format. You might need to update those before sending. Moving on to the SMS content, click on Configure Content. When composing your message, press Ctrl+M to insert merge fields. Click on Save once done. This will now be reviewed by Zoho's compliance team. Click on Send for review to proceed. This is now review in progress. Give the SMS campaign a name. Click on Refresh. Now, you can choose to send immediately or schedule for later. I'm going to proceed and send immediately. Click here to view the details. Keep in mind, the time it takes to complete sending will depend on how many contacts you're sending the campaign to. As the messages go out, you'll start seeing live stats populate on this screen. And once the delivery report is processed, it'll show as delivered right here. Reach out to Builder's Excellence team if you need further assistance.